This is a wireless gamepad designed to hold a Nintendo Switch or OLED switch. It has some RGB LEDs, it has some macro and turbo buttons you can program, it has 4 slots to hold additional game cards, and it also comes with some covers here that you can swap in and out, various different covers and buttons. So this is a dual USB-C charging cable with a USB-A plug, a little warranty card, an instruction booklet, and then the main unit itself. And so with the dual cable, you recharge your Switch and this gamepad at the same time. So it has a green, blue, purple color scheme here. It has your standard buttons that you'd expect, a couple of little protective foam things here over the joycon pads. All of the buttons you'd expect on a Nintendo Switch controller. Now it doesn't connect into the Switch with connectors there. It is wireless, so it wirelessly pairs with your Switch. And so that means you could technically use this as a controller without your Switch in it, with your Switch dock plugged into the television. There are 2 lock and unlock levers here for securely locking your Switch in. It looks like they're manually operated where they don't snap in. You have to lock them in and you have to unlock them before you take it out. And then these are just 4 card slots to put in here. Now on the bottom they have a couple of extra mode brightness buttons down here that can be programmed to do different things in addition to the regular buttons and controllers that you have on the top. So this is the turbo button. You can push that button, then push some other button to turn on turbo. You can have manual turbo, auto turbo. If you want to turn them all off, or if you program multiple buttons, you want to turn them all off at the same time, you can push and hold this for about 5 seconds. It'll vibrate and it'll turn everything off. And you can control the speed of the turbo by pushing the up or down buttons on the D-pad here. So basically, you push the T button and then you can go up or down to change between 5, 12, or 20 bursts per second. So the memory left and memory right buttons back here can be programmed. You can basically program them to do anywhere between 1 or 21 function or button presses all at once. So if you single tap the light button, you can cycle through different light modes. Light plus turbo goes back to the initial rainbow mode. You can long press this button for 5 seconds to turn off all the lighting effect. And then you can do the left joystick up and down to adjust the brightness of the lighting. And there's also an app called Keylinker that lets you program these buttons, upgrade the firmware, and control things as well with that. Alright, so the handheld parts and the buttons all feel pretty good. This guy here flexes a little bit when there's not a Switch in there. I suspect once the Switch is installed, that's going to be, a lot more rigid. I've plugged this guy into charge. We got a blue light flashing. This is a USB-C power delivery cable. It did successfully negotiate USB-C power delivery. Now it's only drawing like ½ an amp at 5 volts here, so it really looks like pretty much any cable you plug into this, even if it's just like a USB A to C cable, anything with 5 volts is going to be able to charge this guy up. It's not drawing a large amount of power to charge the battery. Alright, my son's been using this on his Switch for the last month, and he basically never takes his Switch out of it. He just charges it in this guy. He makes use of the auto fire buttons to win some kind of party games. And these pads back here that are programmable, he doesn't really use macros or anything, but what he does do is he has these buttons and these buttons, and so he's made the pads take over for the top part, so his fingers stay on the bottom buttons, and then he uses these fingers for these top buttons, so he basically never has to shift his finger back and forth. So he's using that basically for, making it so he never has to move his fingers off of any of the buttons. He says he likes the feel of the controls better than the ones that come with it. So it's been a great success in our household, and he really enjoys it.